Stats 252. I'm going to be going over the problem 79 in chapter 9. It's a pretty straightforward problem, I believe. And it's asking for the 95% confidence interval of people who spend over $1,000 per month on their cards. And the jump output that you're going to need, or the file that you're going to need to download, is the customer spending jump file. And once you have that downloaded, it'll pop up like this guy, and you'll have one column that says more than 1K, and it's going to have a yes or no. And what you want to do with this data is you want to go into analyze, you're going to go into distribution, you're going to take the more than 1K and put it in your Y columns, you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to get this histogram and some frequencies. You don't need this right now, or not at all for this problem really. And what you're going to do is, because I like this histogram, I don't like it vertical. I like to go and unclick the vertical and have it horizontal. It's a little easier to read, a little nicer. And what you want to do to find the 95% confidence interval is, you obviously can do it by hand. It's going to take a while. Or you can use the jump table like we're doing and go into the confidence level and go to 0.95, which is the 95% confidence interval. Now this gives you the confidence interval for both no and yes, so people who spend under 1,000 and people who spend over 1,000 or 1,000. The one we want to look at, the row we want to look at, the one we care about for this problem is the yes row, and we're going to look at the lower CI and and upper CI. The CI stands for confidence intervals, and we have for yes we have 10.106, and for the upper we have 0.16. So what that means is we are 95% confident that we're 95% confident that the true proportion of customers who spend over 1,000 or 1,000 is somewhere between 10.6% and 16.6%. That is what this question is asking. That is the answer to this question. It's very direct, very simple. All the conditions check out, right? For each sample, you have over 10. The sample size doesn't exceed 10% of the total population. So that is the end of this problem. Very straightforward, very simple. Hopefully that helps kind of clarify anything or just help you review for the upcoming final. And I wish you all the best of luck.